So Andrew, where are we heading today?
We're heading to Rockville Town Center today.
For what?
We're going to head there for a PSA public service announcements on how is the weather affecting your daily activities for today and what do you hope for tomorrow.
Okay.
So what do you expect?
I expect that weather should be sunny tomorrow.
Yeah?
Yeah, because it's crazy. During the weekdays.
Right? Look at this weather, man.
Yeah.
It's like crap.
Seriously, it's crap.
It's crap. Exactly.
Yeah.
Alright.
So you ever done that before?
This is probably my second public service announcements I've ever done.
Okay.
Alright. How is the weather affecting your daily activities for today?
It's not really affecting them. I'm still doing the same things I would have done even if it was sunny out. Well, except for one thing. I would have driven a lot faster on the roads today if it weren't so misty.
Like I got a need for speed, right?
Yes.
Got a need for speed.
A lot of crowd.
And should I say raining?
It's still raining, yep.
Yeah. How's the weather affecting your daily activities for today?
Well, I'm like trying to learn how to be a driver. I got my permits though, so I'm taking advantage of the rain. And I think I'm gonna go driving today for a couple hours on the highway.
So what do you expect for tomorrow to bring?
I'm gonna look after tomorrow.
Oh, that's okay. Well, drive safe if you ever get that license. Yeah, man. How is the weather affecting your daily activities and what do you expect it to change for tomorrow?
It's not really affecting me because I walk everywhere and I don't really have access to transportation. It really sucks because it's getting colder. So eventually I'm gonna have to deal with it somehow.
Alright, just don't get sick, alright?
Love you.
Love you too, man. How is the weather affecting your daily activities for today? What do you think to change for tomorrow?
Well, today I probably would have done the rain if it hadn't been raining. Probably would have been much instead.
So the rain's been really affecting you?
Yeah, I kind of wanted to go outside and drink. So.
Alright. How about you? How's the rain affecting you?
Rain is needed.
Rain is needed for plants, right?
Yeah.
Alright, get it going. Yeah!